Diddly-o!
Welcome to Parens of the Dead.
It's the very 34th episode. Hooray!
Hooray!
This guy is attacking us, but he's alone.
Zombies regularly are more than one.
Yeah. So let's add some zombies to this stuff. So we have a biker here, but I suspect that we actually have more zombies in our game here. So biker.
Yeah, it's in the CSS.
It's in the CSS. So
it's it won't be a colon at the front.
You see? Cheeky bastard. There we go. Here's a biker, and there's also a lawyer, a chef, mailman, and spoiler, there's the hipster in the game.
Yeah. Police officer.
Pencil pusher.
Okay. I remember the chef. I think that the chef is going to be the boss of this level.
Yes. So let's enter the mailman then.
Yeah.
The horror of the mailman. That's should be the name of this episode. So we'll do like this. This is zombie number 2. And it's the mailman. And he should not behave the exact same as the other guy.
I agree.
So let's soften this first guy up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we'll toughen up the mailman.
Of course. He's carrying that heavy bag around.
Right. And then he does punches. And then he punches. And then maybe we'll introduce a new effect as well.
Yeah. That sounds cool. He heals.
Right. So this thing here, I think we use it.
Yeah.
We use it when we set up the game, right? You just pick the first one, and then we never do anything more.
That's right.
But if I'm not mistaken, there's a zombie planning meeting at some point.
Yeah.
There we go. There's a zombie planning meeting. That happens when we start the round.
Yeah. So prior to the planning meeting, someone comes and joins the gang.
Yeah. A new agile developer joins the zombie gang.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's. I think we have some tests for this as well. Planning.
Yeah.
Here's a planning meeting, but
this is the update game.
There's something about plans.
I think it's in the finish turn part.
Replans the zombies. Here we go.
Oh, look.
So just before that happens, a
new zombie joins
fresh meat appears.
Okay.
Fresh rotting meat appears. Yeah. So there we go. And I'm very tempted to copy something so I don't have to type all this stuff. But so we'll do perform command, and then we'll do what's this? This is
the game.
This is the game. Don't care about the game. Yeah, I do.
I think you can finish your turn and not have a target. Maybe, perhaps. It won't happen in the game though, so maybe not.
Probably not.
Oh.
Zombies. Zombie 1. Zombie 1. Let's. This should work. If it doesn't, we'll fix it.
Yeah.
And then we finish it. We hit that guy, and that's about it. And then we'll do filter events.
Add a zombie.
Very
good.
And then there should be a added zombie.
Yeah, it's just the zombie that you just created in the game there.
Yeah. Not like this.
You find it in the game at the top.
Yeah, this one.
This one.
There you go. Fails. So I'll leave that up to you to fix.
Okay, so there's a null pointer with some number stuff. So it's in the delivery of packages, of punches.
Yeah. So this is probably because there are no dice or because there's also no health.
It's because the zombie doesn't have any health.
Yeah.
You can't punch zombies without health. It's not going to happen in the... So health, current, 9. Okay, so now there is no added zombie. I will fix that prior to the planning meeting.
Yep.
So that goes here then.
Zombie recruitment.
Okay.
Or recruit zombie.
Recruit zombie.
Yeah.
We can just do the round number, I guess.
Yeah.
So it's
and this is just like what we thought of. Like this is zombies enter as a function of the round number. Period. It's always the same.
So we will just drop one less than the round number from the zombies.
And then pick the first one.
And take the first one. And when we have one, then we will add a zombie like this. Let's see what's going on.
Isaac, I think it needs to be a nested vector.
Yes. Yeah. There we go. And it's not content with the test. It's not happy with the test, and that's because it needs another layer of wrapping.
Yeah. Hey, perfect. So if you go play the game now, it should add a zombie for you.
Yes, but look, it won't plan anything for it because it includes the game. We've been through this very recently.
Yeah, we have.
We can take a look at it for the funsies. So I'll punch this guy, and hopefully, here comes the mailman, but he has no plans.
So very.
It seems
looks like the mailman's trying to check me out
on the dance floor.
Yeah.
Yes. So we actually do need like the recruit events.
Oh my god! You need to recur again. No, reduce
recruit events. This is like this, and then we have a game, and we do reduce, update game recruit events.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
We've done it a couple of times.
Yeah.
I think this should still work. Okay, I forgot to...
Yeah, you didn't write a test for it.
I didn't write a test for it. I'm sorry.
It's UI-driven development.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
Actually has
so now he's planning to heal, which I don't think he will be able to do.
Yeah, so let's just do this. Because it all comes in round 2. So it's the strategy is a round number. So if we just flip this around, it will start by punching and then healing.
Yeah. Clever boy.
It's perfect. But
so
okay.
We should have a test for that he's planning.
We should have a test for his planning. I will do this. And it should now it will fail because we're not using this. So the fresh rotting meat appears, but I will include zombies plan their moves.
Yeah. In
the filtered events, and you can see here that it plans nil.
Yeah, because that's my manually added zombie. It doesn't really do anything.
Oh, it doesn't have behavior.
No.
Yeah, that's right. We will add it back in. Yes.
Yeah.
Like this.
Trying to avoid having too much stuff in one place, but that's okay.
Yeah. I'm going to do this. This is not working for me right now.
It's just really hammering in the point that tests are just doubling down on your assumptions.
Yes.
These are my assumptions, and I will make sure they stay this way forever.
Yes.
Yes. And then everything gets green, and I'm very happy.
Yeah. It's double bookkeeping.
Yeah. Double. I'm a happy, agile zombie.
But I will concede to actually looking at the output here.
Yeah.
Zombies plan their moves. Zombie 1 punches more. Zombie 2 punches.
Yeah. Great.
It's perfect. Okay. So let's just add another zombie, and we can try the game.
Yeah. So I want to see the pencil pusher.
The pencil pusher?
Yeah.
Okay, so the pencil pusher has...
it has 12 health. Real powerful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Current face. Wow. Max, current, 12. Behavior, strategy. Okay, so what's the dealio?
Just double punches, and then the second time it just heals 3 times.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a scary
Maybe it would be cool
pusher.
if it started with current less than max.
Ooh,
So that
that's
it
pretty
can
nice.
kind of heal up.
It comes in a bit damaged.
Yeah, it's been pushing too many pencils.
Okay. I'll just add the first one while we're here. Zombie
Okay.
4 is the chef. It's the boss. Its
Uh-oh.
behavior is, like most bosses, very like nothing.
Yeah, okay, just a double punch.
Yeah. Because it actually starts with a whole lot of health.
Oh my god.
And once you kill this chef, the game has been won.
Yeah.
Okay? So we have some zombies now. And I wonder what happens when it tries to heal. You can try playing it.
Yeah, I would expect it to just throw an exception and stop everything.
Yes, probably.
But let's see. I want to be able to punch so I can see all the zombies. I don't want to die before they get here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We might have to implement more of the dice soon.
Some healing would be nice. Now the funky mailman is here.
Okay, you just need one more fest. Oh no, too many shovels. Yes.
Perfect. I'll kill this guy.
Goodbye. And he'll punch us back. This worked very nicely.
Yeah.
And wow, the pencil pusher, he hits you with a suitcase. I had no idea.
He looks very mad.
Yeah. I think you are about to die.
It's already a fairly fun game.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So we don't know what happens when he heals. That's what we'll find out in the terrible episode 35.
Do we even know if we will be able to watch it heal at any point? I think we might have to implement the shields.
The shield.
The healing before he can heal.
We'll see.
Yeah.
It's coming up. Yeah.
It's coming up.
So that's what I call an episode of the 34th kind.
Yes.
Ta-da!